Tonight, Earth's sky holds two moons. The big one you know. The small one has been parked beside it for millions of years, and tonight, the parking is failing. One day ago on Earth's calendar, a collision built the moon out of glowing wreckage, but wreckage does not have to become one thing. Some models say it made two, a big moon and a little sister, about 1/3 as wide, a basketball next to an orange. Researchers call her the companion moon. Two moons, one road. How do they share it without crashing? Gravity leaves parking spots. 60 degrees ahead of the moon, the poles of Earth and moon balance out. Put the moon at 12 o'clock. The pocket sits at 10. Astronomers call it a Trojan point. Park there and you stay parked. For tens of millions of years, the little sister rode ahead. Safe. But parking only holds if the road never changes. This road was changing. The young moon was spiraling slowly away from Earth. As its orbit widened, the sun's gravity reached deeper and deeper into that pocket. The grip loosened, and one day, the little sister slipped out. There was nowhere to go but toward the moon. Two worlds that had shared a road for millions of years now slid together. At the end, the little sister was closing at 2 to 3 kilometers every second. That sounds unstoppable. For a cosmic crash, it is slow. Slow because of one number. Sound moves through solid rock at about 5 kilometers a second. Faster than this crash. Watch the race. When rock hits slower than its own sound, there is no blast, no crater, no vaporized sky. The little moon just lands. She flattens, she spreads, she piles herself across one whole face of the moon, a pancake of new crust, kilometers deep. The moon swallowed its sister and kept the extra skin. Jump forward 4.5 billion years. The moon spins exactly once per orbit, so it shows Earth one face forever. People call the hidden half the dark side. It is not dark. It gets the same sunlight we do. It is only unseen. No human eye saw it until 1959, when a probe called Luna 3 radioed home the first photographs. Scientists expected the moon they knew. They got a stranger. The face we see is stamped with dark plains, old floods of lava, frozen solid. Astronomers name them Maria, seas. They cover about 1/3 of the near side. The far side has almost none. About 2 patches in 100. Same moon, 2 different worlds. In 2012, NASA flew 2 washing machine-sized spacecraft around the moon, chasing each other. The mission was called GRAIL. The pair stayed about 200 kilometers apart, nearly 5 marathons, laid end to end. Every mass of extra rock below tugged the leader first and stretched that gap. They could feel the gap change by a millionth of a meter. A human hair split 70 ways. Gap by gap, GRAIL weighed the moon's shell. The crust averages around 40 kilometers, 4.5 Everests, stacked, and on the far side, it runs thicker. That thicker shell settles the mystery of the two faces. The near side's crust is thin enough for lava to break through, flood the basins, and freeze into the dark plains. On the far side, the lid held. The far side is not strange. It is what the moon looks like without a face. But it does not settle who thickened it, because there is a second suspect, and it never left the scene, Earth. When the two moons were young, Earth was an ocean of glowing magma. It filled the moon's near sky like an open furnace. That heat kept the near side soft. The far side faced cold space, and grew its shell thick, a buried moon, or Earth's own fire. Every good suspect predicts the same thick far side. The map convicts nobody. The case is open. Tonight, Earth's sky holds one moon. Look at its face. Those dark plains are the thin side, the side the lava reached. And if the little sister is real, her grave is the one place you will never see from here. On Earth's calendar, it is still January the 5th. The sky keeps its second story, turned forever away. Next time, Earth itself, a world built by collisions, should have stayed an ocean of fire. It cooled instead. How? The moon is one early chapter in Earth's long story. The rest is waiting on the playlist.